Welcome to the 2025 Economic Depression and Preparation channel. Thank you for joining me on this weekday edition here. We're going to be talking about gold reaching unprecedented highs, as well as people financing food, fast food through DoorDash, as well as some bright spots with ticketing platform continues to go up here as it begins for IPO, a popular site here. Entertainment and food is two areas where you gotta have it, so people are going to do that even in a slowdown or a time of recession. So we'll talk about that there as well. Thank you for joining me on this weekday edition. Please be sure to subscribe to this channel so you can get the latest notifications. Hit that like button. I appreciate everyone's support here as we continue into this April push into spring and Easter and all the different things that are going to be going on as we get later into the summer push here. So looking at the gold continues to reach unprecedented highs. As you know, it's above $3,000 here. According to oilprice.com, it's amid global uncertainties. This says global uncertainty, so it's not just us in the U.S. or Europe or UK or Asia markets. It's everywhere. Everywhere it's uncertain about how do we proceed. Gold has achieved record highs due to a combination of economic and geopolitical factors, including tariff concerns and expectations of accommodative Federal Reserve policy. So, in other words, they're hoping that quantitative easing will start, where they start printing up a bunch of money and, lowering these rates. Everybody's hoping for that, but we have yet to see signs of that, as the latest Fed Reserve meeting called for rates to be unchanged. So platinum prices have risen significantly. Silver has come along for the ride here, as it's above $32 an ounce as of now. But it's starting to cool off a little bit here in terms of silver. But gold is above $3,030 an ounce right now. So let me know, do you think it's going to be a safe bet going into the summer to invest in some of these precious metals, the hard physical currency, physical metal itself, and not the paper markets here? Let me know what you think in that price there. Crude oil continues to go down. It's only at $68.28 right now. Brent crude at $72.16 a barrel there. So that's good news as we head into this springtime. So we have to wait and see how that goes on. But thought this was interesting. DoorDash will let users buy now, pay later for fast food. So now when you go get your Wendy's burger or your Chick-fil-A burger or whatever you want to call it, it's a worrying sign for economy, because now DoorDash, you're doing a buy now, pay later thing. I just don't know how I feel about putting my burger, financing my burger. What do you do, 3 payments or something? A buy now, pay later scheme, which includes Affirm and Apple. They have exploded over the past few years. However, many economists and consumer advocates say the widespread use of these services, plus a lack of transparency and little regulatory oversight, leaves them wondering just how much debt Americans are actually getting into. So this buy now, pay later service is going to be offered through a deal through Klarna services here. And apparently, I guess you can finance your burger and your combo here. I know combo prices have increased at all of these fast food places, but now you can finance your food payments, your fast food payments here. Now, to make money, these providers charge merchants between 1.5 to 7% of the transaction price. We don't know what the interest rate on these type of buy now, pay later plans are going to be, but it's pretty clear that they're going to make some money off of this, because obviously the partnership with DoorDash comes as Klarna continues to expand its offerings ahead of going public, IPO, with plans to list on the New York Stock Exchange in the coming weeks. So it's the Swedish fintech company reported last week a 24% surge in 2024 revenue, cashing in on the BNPL craze, which is projected to surpass the buy now, pay later craze, which is projected to surpass $160 billion over the next 7 years. So people want instant gratification. They want it now. They want the food now, the movie ticket, whatever it is. They want to finance it, and this is being made available to all of those who want to do so. In addition to food delivery, DoorDash continues to also let people buy large ticket items through third-party merchants like Best Buy and Home Depot. Wow. So what do you think about this, ladies and gentlemen? Would you finance a fast food combos or a couple of combos for your family for $30 or $40 and put it on a finance plan, a buy now, pay later plan? Eerily scary here where we're going, but this is where the world we're going in this digital tokenization. Maybe this is getting this ready for digital tokenization of everything. But this is very interesting. So Routers.com is reporting that ticketing platform StubHub reveals a 30% growth in its U.S. IPO filing. So now StubHub, a ticketing platform that a lot of people use, it wants to go IPO. It presses ahead with its New York Stock Exchange listing. Market are very volatile right now, But with more than 40 million tickets sold on StubHub, the marketplace, in 2024, they feel like they have a good foundation. JP Morgan and Goldman Sachs also tapped as lead underwriters for this IPO. So it's one of the first IPOs of the year of 2025 that many people are interested in. As you know, entertainment, even during the Great Depression, entertainment and booze sales and ticket sales and entertainment and gambling, those tend to do quite well, even in a recession or a depression, because people need an outlet, and they're going to find that outlet, whether it's going to a Beyonce or Taylor Swift concert, or whether it's going to see a play at the Lionheart Playbill play or something, Lion King, or whatever the case may be. People are going to find outlets even in a slowdown. So StubHub is one of the biggest secondary ticketing marketplaces for live events. Will now sell new shares in the proposed offering. So its revenue's expanding, and it still probably has some debt, but it's going to be growing because FIFA World Cup, they're watching that ahead next year in 2026. They feel like they can capitalize on that. And so all of these things are coming headwinds as well. Are coming to a halt, are coming ahead here, and that's going to make for an IPO filing for StubHub very soon in the near future. So let me know what you think. Even though we have these mergers with these businesses here, let me know what you think about this buy now, pay later plan with DoorDash. I have used DoorDash before. I don't know about buy now or pay later for fast food, how that's going to work out. What's the interest rate going to be? If you're paying 3 installments, what's the late fee like? If you charge more than the combo, let's say you charge $35 late fees, if you can't pay to make the minimum payment on time for fast food, what are the terms and conditions that we're talking about here? And that's going to be something interesting too. So do you think that gold and silver is going to continue to go up here? I think gold will go up. I don't know if silver is going to go above $35, $36 this year, but it's possible. But it depends on supply shocks, depends on what happens. So we have to keep a close eye on that on the markets as well. And I hope you continue to have a blessed week. And I'll talk to you more on Thursday when we get those jobs numbers, the jobs report come out, the data from the housing data comes out, and to see if these mortgage rates can finally dip below 6.7, 6.6% for prime rate, the 30-year rate. So let me know what you think. Have a blessed afternoon. Talk to you soon. Take care.